Okay, now that we've completed our vacuum and we've broken the vacuum with refrigerant, we're going to show you how to reinstall the valve core into the system with pressure in the system. First thing we have to do is we've got to close the ball valve to isolate the system so that we don't lose any of the refrigerant to the atmosphere. Then we're going to reinstall the valve core to the system. First thing we'll do, we'll remove the gauge line from the valve core tool. Remember, the ball valve is closed, so we're not losing any gas. Then we pull the valve core stem back and we just get the swivel head. Firstly, we have to go nice and straight there so that we stay attached to the valve core. We get the swivel head on and we make sure we're not cross-threading that as we reconnect it to the valve core tool. Once that's nicely hand tightened, the valve stem out, ball valve is closed. You can then open the ball valve, which now opens the system to the tool, and you can then push the stem in to get the valve core back in. As you can see, the system pressure is actually pushing the valve core stem back, and that's why, as I mentioned earlier, you've got to sort of apply forward pressure as you're twisting the valve core stem. There we go. We've got that tightened nicely, so we should be able to pull the stem back, and if all was done properly, we can close the ball valve and remove the valve core stem, and we shouldn't get any gas seeping from the system. Sometimes it just takes a bit of time for us to counter that pressure. There, she's off, no gas seeping from the system, that's perfect. And as we open the ball valve, we shouldn't get any gas either seeping from the system. We do it gradually, and there we go. That's a perfect seal. Valve core has been perfectly reinstalled.